Hi everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. As you would have seen in the title, today we are going to do a full face of makeup with the makeup products which is just worth rupees 400. I got this bridal makeup kit from Flipkart and this is of brand Blue Heaven. And this bridal kit has around 11 makeup products, which is more than sufficient to do a complete makeup look, which is really good for, occasions like wedding, parties, and even for simple makeup. So today, let's go ahead and try these products. So I haven't tried these products yet. This is the first time I'm using. And Blue Heaven is a really good brand where you get affordable makeup products. I have tried some lipsticks of it, which is really good enough. So today we'll try all the products which are part of this makeup kit and see how good it is and how good the finish is. To start with, let's see what are the products which are part of this bridal kit. It has this primer and it has this small foundation. And this is actually of shade Natural 2N. Again, for this bridal kit, I'm not sure if there's any shade range available. I just found one, bridal kit which is available. It has this compact, and this is also of shade Natural Honey. And it comes with this blush as well. And this is of shade 506. It has this eyeshadow palette as well. And this is of shade Caramel Latte. You get this mascara, eyeliner, an eyebrow definer, a black kajal. You get a sindoor as well, a liquid sindoor, and a cream lipstick. Now let's go ahead and try these products. So let's start with the primer. So this is the oil-free flawless makeup base primer, and this is silicone based if I'm not wrong. So let me apply it all over. It is giving you a smooth finish and it is mattifying. Let's use the foundation. So this is a small bottle and as I said, the shade range wasn't available for me to select, and this is of shade Natural, which I think is light, but let's try it. So that's the shade and that's the applicator. I am using one of my makeup brushes to blend it. So this is more like a water-based, foundation. It's very light. It's very lightweight. So the shade is okay, but it's definitely a little bit lighter. Again, I'm not sure what are the shade ranges available in this foundation from Blue Heaven. But I think this is okay, and I think it will definitely suit for fair to medium skin tones. Maybe for a deeper skin tone, it might be a little lighter. But for fair, medium, it will definitely go well because it's water-based and it's blending in very beautifully. It doesn't give you that full coverage, but it's giving that highlighted look. Now, let me use this compact to go ahead and set the foundation. And this is the Get Bright Compact Powder, which is with SPF, but I'm not sure how much SPF. And this is of shade Honey, Natural Honey. And that is the shade. It comes with this puff as well. So I'll try using the same puff. On second choice, I'll just use this puff which I have. Okay, so the compact is actually good. It's giving you a nice finish and it's giving you a matte finish. And the shade is also okay, honey shade. For my skin tone. Okay, now let's do some eye makeup, and I'll be using this palette for it. So these are the shades which are available. So let me first create a crease with this brown shade. It's actually quite pigmented. Next, I'll use this shade. Now I'll use this shade, in the inner corners. I'll use my fingers for it. There are no shimmery shades in this. These are all matte finish shades. Let me use this brow definer. I usually don't do much of my eyebrows because it's thick enough for me. But let me try this. And this is actually a brown shaded, definer. It's actually nicely pigmented. Easier to do the eyebrows. So as I said, I don't do much eyebrows because I have thick eyebrows and I feel I really don't have to define it more better. Now let's use this eyeliner. So individually when you see these products, they are around like 200, 150 ranges. But as a part of this kit, all the products you get it for 400 rupees. This one is also good. It's very easy to apply. So this is the Blue Heaven One Stroke Liquid Eyeliner. Now let's use the kajal. And this is the 2X Intense Kajal. So the kajal is kind of okay. It's not really that pigmented, I would say, but it does the job. Now let's use the mascara. So this is the 10X Volumizing Mascara. So the mascara is good enough. It is giving good volume. But I feel it's more liquidy. It's not drying very quickly. So you need to be very careful after using this mascara. Now I'm going to be using this shade again in the lower corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to be using this shade below my eyebrows and in the inner corners just to get the highlighted look. Doesn't give you that glittery finish, but it does give that glow. Now let us use this blush, and this is of shade 506, and this is a nice dark pink shade. Not sure how pigmented this is, so I'll just take a brush and use it very lightly because the color is very dark. Okay, this is actually pigmented enough. So a little bit is more than sufficient. And the shade is pretty good. I think it will go well with any skin tone. And now we'll move on to the lipstick. So this is the Velvet Creme lipstick and this is of shade Ruby Red. So that's how the lipstick is. It's a nice red shade. So for me, it's a little bit difficult to apply. I'm just taking a brush to define the lips better. So the lipstick is actually good. It's giving you a nice matte finish and it is not drying. It's keeping your lips moisturized. And the color is also really good for occasions, parties. So that's how it looks with all the makeup products. So this is the completed look with the bridal makeup kit from Blue Heaven. So as a final touch now, let's use the sindoor. This is the final look with the bridal makeup kit from Blue Heaven. I really like the finish of it. Most of the products are really great. Some of it are like okay, but most of it are really good to give you this look. And I'm not sure how long it lasts, but however, it gives you this finish, which I really loved it. The foundation is like okay. It's a liquid based. It doesn't give you a full coverage, but otherwise the glow on your face is definitely there. The shade range is like okay because in a kit, I did not find a shade range which was available. But nevertheless, I really liked how the output is with the full makeup. I really love that part. So as I said, I purchased this product from Flipkart and I got it for 405 rupees. I will provide the details of the product which I purchased in the description box and I'll provide a link as well where you can shop this bridal makeup kit. So go ahead and shop it and get this affordable makeup look with just rupees 400. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.